Shuga. Shuga is the Jamaican word of the week for the week of November 12 to November 18, 2023. In the Jamaican language, shuga can be used as a noun and as a verb. As a noun, it has three separate meanings. Meaning 1. A sweet soluble substance, normally in the form of crystals, made from the juice of plants such as sugarcane and beet, used to sweeten food and drinks. Example: when we are run boat, we teeth out some of mummy sugar. Meaning 2. A term of endearment for a lover or a love interest. Example: talk to me no sugar. Meaning 3. A medical condition that occurs when the body's ability to regulate blood glucose levels is compromised. Example: when the sugar dip on me feel some pain in my hand and foot them. As a verb, sugar can be used transitively, meaning that it can take a direct object. As a verb, it means to add an excessive amount of sugar to food or drinks, or to oversweeten. Example: so what make you have sugar the drink so? This week's Word of the Week recognizes World Diabetes Day, which is celebrated on the 14th of November each year. If you would like to receive the Word of the Week, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified when we post a new word.